Is your VW Touareg key fob not working? First, determine if it's a battery issue. Common signs include the remote not responding to button presses. For models before 2016, look for a twist-to-open mechanism or a small release button to access the battery compartment. Newer models, 2016 plus, might have a small screw or clip requiring a flathead screwdriver. Carefully open the case, noting the orientation of the battery before removal. Remember, incorrect polarity can damage the fob. Once opened, remove the old CR232 battery. You can purchase a new one for around $2 to $5 at most auto parts stores or online. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up, matching the original orientation. Reassemble the key fob securely. For older models, simply snapping the case back together might be enough. However, for newer encrypted fobs post-2010, you might need to resync the fob by holding the lock-unlock buttons for 10 to 20 seconds near the vehicle. If this fails, a dealer visit may be required for reprogramming.